Konnichiwa! Welcome back to Nihongo Quiz, your fun destination for learning Japanese through quizzes. This time, we're diving into fast food. Can you read these common fast food words in Japanese katakana? They are words you'll see at any burger shop. Choose the correct English meaning from the 4 options. You'll have 5 seconds to answer, so stay sharp and ready. Are you hungry for a challenge? Let's get started. Time's up! The correct answer is hamburger. Hambaga is the katakana word for hamburger. What is this word? Time's up! The correct answer is fried potato. Furaido potato means French fries in Japan. What is this word? Time's up! The correct answer is nugget. Nuggetto refers to chicken nuggets. What is this word? Time's up! The correct answer is hot dog. Hot dog goo sounds very close to the English word. What is this word? Time's up! The correct answer is pizza. Pizza is the katakana word for pizza. What is this word? Time's up! The correct answer is chicken. Chicken is the katakana word for chicken. Did you get that right? What is this word? Time's up! The correct answer is sandwich. Sando-wichi means sandwich in Japanese. What is this word? Time's up! The correct answer is burger. Bagai is a shortened version of hamburger. What is this word? Time's up! The correct answer is cola. Cola refers to soft drinks like Coca-Cola. Out for the last word. Be sure to get this right. Time's up! The correct answer is shake. Sheiku is how you say milkshake in Japanese. Great job, everyone! How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new quiz. Still up for other Japanese quizzes? Click here for your next challenge. See you there!